Hello YouTube world! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna share with you my SHEIN haul. This is actually my first purchase, so I'll give you my honest review about their products. Without further ado, let's get started! First is this layered waist chain. I love its gold and crystal details, but it's big on me. If you're thin, just hook before the ball to stop it from sliding. Second is this 6 pieces leather charm necklace. What I love about this is that they have separate locks, unlike the necklaces I bought on Shopee. So I can wear them all together by layering or separately. In my case, I love layering necklaces, which you will see in the try-on part. Third is this waterproof liquid eyeliner pen. I like it since the pen glides easily, but it's just good for its price. Fourth is the rainbow stripe print tank top. I bought this because of the beautiful combination of colors. This will really make you look younger. Fifth is the notch neck lettuce edge tee. This top is really cute because of its small V detail on the front. This is a good summer outfit since the fabric is really cool on the body when worn. Sixth is this rib knit solid tee. I bought this in red color because Christmas is fast approaching, and it can also be worn on Valentine's Day just in case I'll go on a date. Seventh is this white lettuce trim solid crop top. White is the color that people are hesitant to purchase online, but I highly recommend this because it has the right thickness as a top. Eighth is this rib knit form-fitted crop cami top. What I love about this is its sweetheart detail on the front, plus it fits me perfectly. Ninth is this reversible two-tone v-neck crop top. I love it because it's reversible. Since the top has a plunging neckline, you need to wear a nipple tape here. Tenth is the plunging neck tie-back leopard crop top. I can pull this off, but I don't know exactly when will I wear it. This is a good party outfit or a beach outfit. Again, nipple tape is needed to wear this outfit. Eleventh is this all-over cutout sports bra and flare leggings. I bought this because I can wear it in pair or match it with my other clothes. This is the best thing about coordinates. The smallest size is small, so that's the one I bought. The top is an inch big on me, so when I tried it on, I had to fold the elastic area at the bottom. For its pants, they're not really soft. But the bottoms is perfect. I love the fit. Same thing with the flare detail. Everything is set, so let's move on out to my most favorite part, which is the try-on. almost finished. I just want to say thank you for your time watching. If you enjoyed it, give me a nudge by hitting the like button. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I bet you already know the drill. Oh, by the way, which do you like best among the clothes I wore? Write it in the comment section below. Thank you. This has been Eliza. See you next time. Goodbye.